Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how I made those beautiful paper buttons that are going to be available in my Etsy shop with trims, fabric trims, lace trims. So there will be a set of two, so you can choose from one of those two sets plus the fabrics. I'm going to put link down below when I'll make the list, because I still didn't make a list. I'm not going to lie. Okay, so first thing first, please subscribe for my channel because it will help me to develop more. Also like this video, watch the rest of my videos because probably you're going to find them very useful. So thank you for joining me today. I'm really happy to show you this creation, and let's get started. You don't need something special. For those papers I've decided to use my own designed papers that I made with a lot of colors and a lot of different paints that I use here and there. I use jelly plate here, also here and here. So I covered them with a lot of different watercolors. Also I use distress spray, distress inks. I use in the end this glossy gouache pouch. So it was very fun to make them. If you don't want to make, or you don't have any kind of idea how to make those design papers that I made, you can use whatever you want that is in front of you in your stash. For example, you can use design paper from different kits, or you can make your own if you like. There are a lot of possibilities. So let me just remove those beauties here, because I don't want to spoil them. Okay, I'm going to use, this is going to be my base, and I'm going to use those cardboards that are from candies. Okay, let me just use this punch. You don't need to be circle. If you have punches from like heart-shaped punch or star-shaped punch, it's going to be very interesting. But I've decided to use the classic one because I want my buttons to be circle. And I'll just remove this part here because I don't need it. And I'm going to show you how I made those. For each of those buttons I'm going to need two, like this. So I'm going to glue them together so you can see only the white part. Okay, and my base is ready. I'm going to use those one because I'm going to leave the new one that I show you to dry completely. This is very important because your buttons are going to be very messy if you don't leave it. I tried it, and I'm speaking from my own okay, let me just use some of those prepared for this one. No, I'm not going to use this one. I would like to use this here. And this is the last one. Okay. And now I'm going to glue them. Okay, and the last one. Oh, okay, I'm done. So let me remove this one. And I'm going to put this gouache pot on them and cover them. And in the end, after they are dry, I'm going to make holes here and here. Just a little, not so much. I'm not going to use any kind of sponge. I'm going to use my fingers. This is why my hands are so dirty. Sometimes I can't wash them with 2 or 3 days and I look very, very weird. The idea is to make them more hard when I use this gouache pot. You can use there are transparent gesso or Mod Podge, or you can use another way to cover them. There are a lot of ways. Okay, so I leave them to dry, and after probably 5-10 minutes I'll be back to make the holes. Okay, they are ready. And let me just show you how I'm going to make the here and here. Okay, and the last one. And they are done. There it is. So I hope that you enjoy this video. And one more time, please subscribe for my channel, like this video, watch the rest of the videos, and if you like to buy those stuff, I'm going to put links down below. Check them, check my Etsy shop, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.